Hey, welcome to quarter two of physics. We're on our first module. So glad you're here. I love it when you guys sign up for my class and take my class. Let's go ahead. I'm going to change the view here so we can see what's going on. All right. Again, we're in quarter two, first module. All right. This video is going to be changed, obviously. It's the one you're going to be watching right now, actually. Okay. In this one, our learning objectives is to be able to define what a field is and explain how it works. It's a force at a distance. How does it create that force at a distance? Next is we need to be able to apply Newton's laws of gravitation, of universal gravitation, so we can predict what forces are going to be. And then we need to analyze how a changing mass and distance affects gravitational force using the inverse square law. Okay. First off, we have either the reading pathway or the video pathway. I don't care which one you use. Either one's going to be fine. Matter of fact, the only difference between the two is the video pathway has some videos in it, kind of explaining what's going on. Okay. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and jump into the assignment. With the assignment, I do have the Desmos calculator here and that online whiteboard if you need to draw. I do have a physics AI tutor here for you. When we pop that open, this is designed to help you with this assignment. Use it for that, please. Let's see, let's jump back here. We're going to go ahead and begin this. You may use AI for any of these that are telling you you may, but actually, that's it. Everything in here allows you to use AI. Once you are done with this, make sure that you click submit, okay, before moving on. Once you click submit, hopefully you put something in there. I'm just buzzing us through this real quick so it goes through and talks to you about what you've submitted, and then we can jump right into lab one. Lab one is using the table generator and also the PhET gravity lab, force lab. You're going to buzz through this, and that video kind of walks you through what you need to do in this one. Then we're going to go ahead and once you've submitted this, you can jump into the quiz. Okay. Right now, my grades are not very good because I didn't do anything. This is our final assignment. You'll jump in and do this. Once you're done with this, I'd like you to. There's a link at the end of that quiz to do this survey, and I'd like you to jump in and do the survey. Survey just helps me to know how I'm doing, what works for you, what doesn't work for you. This being an online class, I want to make sure that you guys are able to do the assignments that I'm asking you to do. That's all I can think of. If you have any questions, please, please, please let me know. You can always jump in on the office hours or contact me via email, and we can set up a time that we can get together and go over some of the assignments if you have any questions. Glad you're here. Talk to you in the next module.